In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Nissan Maxima key fob. There are two versions of this device, a 4-button and a 5-button version. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is going to be the same for both of them, and they both take the same CR2032 battery. This whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and it's very easy to do. All you'll need are a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. If you'd like to get one of these online, go ahead and check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. The first step to replacing your battery, is just flipping it over, finding this little latch on the back and holding it down while you pull out the internal key. Now, if you look at the bottom of the device over on the right, you can see that opening right there. Let me show you right here. This is where we're going to put a flathead screwdriver in to twist and open it up. You will need a small sized flathead like the one I have here, or just a little bit bigger would work. If you don't have the right size, you can go check out the second link down there in the description. This is a product that I use all the time. It's a really good set of precision screwdrivers. That's where this one came from. It's also just a few bucks on Amazon, so you can go check that out. Once you have the right size, you just pop it in there and twist. And just twist enough to start to open one side. You don't want to keep twisting in there because it'll take a lot of force and you can kind of damage this little slot. So go ahead and work your way down the opening, twisting, and it will come apart very easily. Now you can just take the same tool and come over here to the side of the battery and gently pry and lift it up, and it will pop right out. You can now dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign and the text on it is facing down. So you just pop it into place, positive side down. From here, we can just put it back together. So just line these two halves up and squeeze them back together. There we go, and you can just pop your key back in there and you are finished. You can see how easy that is. And if you bring this to the dealership, they will charge you a ton of money. You can do the whole thing yourself at home for just the cost of one of these batteries. So I hope you saved some money. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tons of videos like this one for the key fobs for most of the makes and models out there. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.